Day 18. The magical to-do list. The world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Really, when you think about it, gratitude is your best friend. It is always there for you, always available to help you. It will never fail you or let you down. And the more heavily you lean on it, the more it will do for you and the more it will enrich your life. Today's magical practice will show you how to lean on gratitude even more so it can do far more magical things for you. Every day there are little life problems that come up and that need solving. Sometimes we can feel overwhelmed if we don't know how to solve a solution. Maybe your problem is that you don't have enough time for all the things you do need to do and you are at a loss because there are only 24 hours in the day. It may be that you feel overwhelmed with work and you want more free time, but you can't see any way to have it. You may be at home taking care of children and you are feeling frazzled or exhausted, but you don't have the means to get support to give out some time for yourself. You may be facing with a problem that needs fixing, but you have no idea which way to turn to fix it. You may have lost something and tried your best to locate it, but no luck. You might want to find something like the perfect pet, perfect babysitter, perfect hairdresser, or amazing dentist. You could be in an uncomfortable situation because of something a person has asked you to do, or you could be in some kind of dispute with someone. The magical to do list practice will help you to any little day to day problem when you don't know what to do or when you are simply wanting something to be done for you. When you combine gratitude's magical power with the law of attraction, people, circumstances, and events must be rearranged to do what you wanted to do for them. You will not know how it will happen or how it will be done for you. That is not your job. Your job is simply to be grateful as you can be for what you want to have it right now and then let the magic happen. Today, create a written to do list of the most important things you would like to be done to resolve for you and title your list the magical to do list. You might put things on your list that you don't have time to do or don't want to do, along with any current problem. Think through any area of your life where you need something resolved or done for you. When you have finished making your list, choose three things from the list to focus on today and one of the time image that each time has been magically done for you. Imagine that the people, circumstances, and events have been moved to do it for you, and it is now done, all sorted, all solved for you, and you are giving massive thanks in return for it to have been done. Spend at least 1 minute of each of your three items believing it is done and feel the gratitude in return. Remember that the law of attraction says like attract likes, and that means when you are grateful for the solution as though you have them, you will attract everything you need into your life to resolve the solution. Focusing on problems attract more problems. You have to be a magnet to the solution and not a magnet to the problem. Being grateful that you have the solution and that is being resolved attracts the solution. After being out one night, my daughter discovered the next moment she did not have her wallet and she had no idea where she might have lost it or even if it has been stolen. She called the restaurant where she went to dinner, the taxi company she came home, the police, and she searched for the streets and knocked on surroundings door, but no one found the wallet. One another, the fact that my daughter's wallet contained the usual precious things in it, including her bank and credit cards, driver license, cash, etc. Because she had been overseas for some time, she didn't have a publicly listed phone number, and with a common surname, there seemed to be no hope. But despite the seemingly impossible obstacles, my daughter sat down, closed her eyes, and got a picture of her wallet in her mind. She visualized that she was holding her wallet in her hands. She opened her wallet, she went through all it contains, and she felt in gratitude that she had everything in her wallet at the same time. For the rest of the day, whenever she thought of it, again my daughter imagined the same holding her wallet in her hands. She felt gratitude that her wallet has been returned. Later that night, she received a call from a farmer who lived 100 miles away saying that he had found her wallet. The extraordinary part of the story is that the farmer had found the wallet in the street outside my daughter's home in early hours of the morning, and he immediately searched for the wallet looking for the contact details. He made several calls in trying to find its owner, but no avail. So he gave up and drove back to his farm with the wallet. But while he was walking out of the field at his farm, the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him, and he decided to search through it for the last time. He found a small piece of paper with the man's name Christian said it on it, and he put the Christian name together with my daughter's surname, and he called the directory assistant. There was just one listening in the Christian name and surname. The farmer called the phone number, and it was the home of my daughter's father. To this day, we do not know how the farmer got the phone number because it was unlisted number. We called directory assistants ourselves several times that saying sorry for having it listed for the wrong name. From 100 miles away, through the most extraordinary sequence of seemingly impossible events, my daughter's wallet was returned to her contact. She fulfilled her part in being grateful that she had her wallet back, and as must happen, gratitude performed its magic and moved every person, circumstances, and events to return the wallet back. The magical power of gratitude is available for you to use as well, and it always has been. You just need to discover it for yourself and learn how to use it. Thank you. Have a great day.